Today, a jury heard from 2 of the 3 Tacoma police officers charged in the death of Manuel Ellis. Ellis died while being detained by police in 2020. Officer Timothy Rankine is charged with manslaughter. Officers Matthew Collins and Christopher Burbank face second-degree murder and manslaughter charges. Tacoma Bureau Chief Lionel Donovan tells us what happened in court.
Officer Collins wrapped up his testimony today, and it was followed by testimony from Officer Timothy Rankine. Rankine recalled the events of the night Ellis died and said that he never intended to harm Ellis, just to control him.
The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Officer Timothy Rankine took the stand on Tuesday to discuss his actions the night of Manuel Ellis's death. He shared insight into his life before joining the Tacoma Police Department in 2019. He discussed moving to the U.S. when he was 13 years old from Singapore. He later joined the military, which brought him to Tacoma.
Being a cop, you meet people at their worst time, and I also know Tacoma's full of crime, and I was trying to help with mitigating crime.
During his testimony, Rankine shared his memories about the encounter with Ellis. He said when he arrived on scene, he immediately began trying to assist subduing Ellis, and things happened quickly. Rankine says he was shaken when he heard Collins and Burbank ask for help, because the officers usually knew how to handle themselves.
Everyone wanted to be like that, and so when me and Ford partner up, we tried to mimic ourselves as best we could to them, because there was, Officer Ford said it correctly, there was nothing they couldn't do.
However, during cross-examination, Special Assistant Attorney General Patty Eakes questioned Rankine on what happened during Ellis's arrest, comparing his testimony with an audio interview he gave a few days after the arrest. In both the interview and his testimony, Rankine admitted that he heard Ellis say he couldn't breathe multiple times, and told Ellis, quote, "If you're talking to me, you can breathe just fine." He also told Ellis that if he stopped struggling and calmed down, he would release some of the pressure, because at that point, Rankine had both of his knees on Ellis's back, pressing down. But Eakes also questioned Rankine about what he didn't say.
But you never asked him, are you okay? Are you able to breathe?
I think Mr. Ellis wasn't talking to anyone.
But did you ask him, officer?
I did not.
Officer Rankine's testimony will continue tomorrow morning when court resumes at 9 a.m. From the Pierce County Courthouse, Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.